My story begins way back in the dim, dark ages of the concrete countertop industry. I'm a civil engineer and I knew nothing about this industry when I got started. And Lane and I had bought our first house and we're going to remodel our kitchen. And one of my neighbors had given me a stack of magazines for ideas. He was kind of also clearing out his garage. And this is one of the magazines that he gave me from December 1998. And in it was this article about this gentleman called The Master of Liquid Stone, Buddy Rhodes. And so it was this article that kicked off the idea that I said, I want to do concrete countertops for myself.
Thanks for reading the article and everything.
Thanks for having the article, because I would not be here where I am. Yeah, cool.
Yeah, and you've really taken it to another level. And I started in playing around with concrete in about 1980 or so. And so I would go to different sand and gravel places, and they'd say, "What are you doing?" "I'm making furniture and stuff." Like, "You can't do that."
That's a great motivator, isn't it? That's
Yeah,
kind of
well,
how I was doing it too. You can't do that. Well,
not
let me
possible,
show
yeah.
you. Here we go. Here it is, you know?
Right.
You were kind of like pushing the idea gradually just by doing it. It's a very, very slow, organic process.
It was very new, and so people were interested. Well, what is that? And so that was very rewarding to finish a project and showing it to someone, and they got excited. Mm-hmm. Wow.
I had no interest in becoming a business owner or starting a business or even doing anything like this. It just kind of fell in my lap. And I set up a website, and like a couple weeks later, I got a call saying, "You do concrete countertops, I want them." And all of a sudden reality hits, like, wow, this is real. People want this, and oh no, I have to do it for real. Seeing his work in this article resonated with me. There was something about that spontaneity and authenticity that it just appealed to me, and it's all your fault.
My fault.
It's all your fault.
A lot of people have said
Yeah.
that.
And thank you for that.
It's a wrap.
It's a wrap.